friends, I'm Melanie from melaniecooks.com, and today I'll be making Jello with fruit cocktail. For this easy recipe, all we need is a 3-ounce package of Jello and a can, 15 ounces of mixed fruit. You can use any kind of mixed fruit cocktail as long as it doesn't contain pineapple, because pineapple might prevent Jello from setting. And we also need a 3/4 cup of boiling hot water and 1 cup of cold water. So I'm going to empty the contents of a Jello packet in a bowl. And add 3/4 cup of boiling hot water. The easiest way to boil it is just microwave it until boiling. That's what I did before making the video. I microwaved this water. And now let's mix it together until all the crystals are dissolved in water. So it should take about a minute or two, and until you see no more crystals, that means it's all mixed together well. And now let's add 1 cup of cold water. And mix. And now let's add a can of fruit. So the fruit is drained. I fully drained it before making the video. So add the fruit cocktail without its juice. And now all the fruits were added, so just mix it until it's evenly distributed. And now the Jello is ready to be refrigerated. So put it in the refrigerator for about 4 hours or until fully set. So now this Jello with fruit has been in the fridge for 4 hours and it's ready. So you know when it's ready when you touch it and it's not liquid anymore. So see, it's totally set. Looks amazing. Perfect Jello with the fruits inside. So let's see. Look at that. Perfect. So I'm just going to put some on a plate here. Looks amazing. Perfect Jello with fruit. And now let's try it. Tastes amazing. Sweet Jello, perfectly set, perfect texture with a delicious fruit cocktail. This is a perfect combination and a very easy dessert. For a repeatable recipe and other easy recipes, please visit my website, melaniecooks.com. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel, Melanie Cooks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Enjoy!